Everyone, my name is Jhon, and today I'm going to discuss to you the importance of mobile application. Lesson 1. The internet fits into the pocket of anyone who now carries a smartphone. 80% of the time spent on mobile devices is spent using apps or browsing for the latest ones. Mobile websites and responsive website design are great ways to ensure your business is seen in good light when people browsing your online presence. Let us have a look at the vital role of mobile application in the smartphone generation. Mobile application. Mobile application is a program which designed to run on smartphones, tablet, computer, and other electronic devices. Mobile application platforms. The mobile apps are available through application distribution platforms such as Apple Store, Google Play, Windows Phone Store, and BlackBerry App World. Why mobile application? Website is outdated. Your customers demand an updated version of everything and anything. The world is getting smarter and lazier and want things to be swiped or clicked away. Types of mobile apps. Free apps. Free apps are available on app stores free of charge. You can use all the features of the free apps without paying any amount. Premium apps. Premium apps are provided free of charge, but some amount is charged for extra feature. Paid apps. Paid apps are the ones where you actually pay for the app through virtual currency. Importance of apps for business. Increase exposure across smartphone users. Enhance the brand visibility. Builds relationship and loyalty. Creates a strong sell-through. How to select app development company. More applications have unlocked new opportunities for companies to innovate in the digital age. To ensure hiring a vendor with proper skills to complete your project on time and on budget, here's our pure recommendation to consider. Assess the vendor portfolio, company culture, marketing expertise, and the big picture. Lesson 2. Factors in developing mobile application. Why is mobile interesting? Big. Point 2. BN mobile phone subscription versus B2 BN people with toothbrush. On hand, for 90% of population, the device is only an arm length away. 24/7. Users look at their mobile devices 150 times a day on average. An individual, 60% of married people will not share their mobile with spouse. Gadget convergence. Jacobs Media and Arbitron's study of our smartphone users finds they're spending less time with digital cameras, GPS units, laptop, desktop computers, video game system, cam camcorders, iPads, and car radios. What is mobile software engineering? Is the adaptive process of creating a software a product that is intended to be used by people while they are mobile. By this, the process must take into account the specific characteristic of mobile usage to deliver the required quality. Quality is defined as meeting or exceeding customers' expectation, which employs user acceptance and market success. A mobile software engineering process. No groundbreaking new model, but practical and adaptive process heaviness to project size. SW engineering techniques reused, reordered, adapter, influenced by ideas from Agile or Scrum. Core ideas, not based on sequential stage only, but iterative, incremental, first is first, interactive, early alliances with exit points, emphasize on prototyping and testing. And that's all. Thank you.